charge. So today our topic is how body charge. Before that, what we have discussed? Introduction, charge, kind of charge, cause of charge. When we discuss the charge, this topic, lot of examples we have taken on that time. So today we discuss the how body charge. So charge can be, body can be charged. Body can be charged in different way. So according to your syllabus, only we discuss the three ways. Number one, that is the body can be charged by friction method. Number two, body can be charged by induction method. Body can be charged by conduction method. So three methods are there by which we can charge the body. So body can be charged by three ways. So number one, friction. Friction method. Friction method what? By rubbing. By rubbing what? When a glass object or plastic object rub with the silk, on that time what happen? They get charged. That example we are discussing the cause of charge. So same type of example you can give in the friction method. So on that in this friction method, you can give the example when a plastic object rub with the silk cloth, they get charged as the plastic object brought near the small bit of paper that exert a force. Some of the small bit of paper, smaller bit of paper attracted towards the plastic object. As well as you can give the example of balloon. So as the balloon rub with the hair and that balloon brought near the small bit of paper, the small bit of paper attracted towards the balloon. So that example you can give in the friction method. So one example, you can give the example of a glass with silk or a plastic object with silk or balloon with the silk or hair. So जो भी हमने एग्जांपल कॉज ऑफ चार्ज में दी थी, लास्ट जो इससे पिछले लेक्चर था उसमें दी है एग्जांपल, तो वो एग्जांपल आप दे सकते हैं इसमें फ्रिक्शन में. और डेफिनेशन क्या? टू डिसिमिलर ऑब्जेक्ट रब विद ईच अदर बाय रबिंग the object experience a force, they exert a force. So that is why body charged by friction method. और आपने एग्जांपल ये दे देनी है. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा है इसमें डिस्कस करने की अब जरूरत नहीं है. सो नेक्स्ट जो है दैट इज द बाय इंडक्शन मेथड. सेकंड, induction method. Body can be charged by induction method. Induction method what? Induction method without touching. Means in this method what you do? You choose a charged object, charged body and uncharged body. When a charged body, without making a physical contact, you brought near that charged body towards the uncharged body. So uncharged body get charged but without touching. Suppose here induction method. In the induction method, what you do? You consider a uncharged body, charged body, suppose it's a charged body, positive or negative. So negative charged body, I am considering here negative charged body, or if positive charged body, okay. इट्स अप टू यू। नेगेटिव चार्ज बॉडी एप्लीकेबल है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज बॉडी भी एप्लीकेबल है। सो पॉजिटिव चार्ज बॉडी आई एम कंसीडरिंग हियर एंड ए uncharged body B, uncharged body. Uncharged body means what? Equal number of positive and negative charge. So So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, equal number of, and here majority carrier are positive charge. So here, what you observe here? It's a there is a force of repulsion due to the majority carrier of positive charge. So positive charge means they repel this one repel, but they will not move outside. They will not move outside. Why? Because in the outside there is a air, so air is a insulator, not conducting, means there is no conducting path. There is no conducting path, means they remain inside, but there is with the strong repulsive force, with the strong repulsive force between the positive charge, means positive they repel each other and create a repulsive force. So one is the charged body, second is the uncharged body. So it's a and it's a B. So second step 1, when a charged body brought near the uncharged body, so it's a charged body brought near the uncharged body, brought near the but without touching, no touching, means with no physical contact between the charged body and uncharged body, and uncharged body be charged. That is called induction method. So without touching means no physical contact between the charged body and uncharged body, and charged body get charged, that is body can be charged by induction method. तो ये स्टेटमेंट जो है याद रखनी है। नो फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट, without touching, no touch, so here positive charge body. So what happened here? As you brought this uncharged body toward charged body, what happened? So positive, there is a force of repulsion, and positive charge move away. That create a force of repulsion. So positive get displaced away, means positive charge move right corner of the wall of the body, right corner. So and negative charge, due to there is a force of repulsion between the positive and negative, so they move left side of the corner of the uncharged body. So now structure is like that. In next step, what you do? Step second, here no touch, means charged body brought near the uncharged body. This is B and this is A. It's A. It's a uncharged body. And it's a charged body. But no touch, without physical contact. as it's brought near the charged body. So this type of structure is there, and in next step step second, but it can be get. Now what you do? You grounded uncharged body. Grounded means what? Earthing. You do earth. So uncharged body. It's a charged body. And grounded this one. ग्राउंडेड. सो इसमें क्या किया आपने? अनचार्ज बॉडी बी जो है दैट इज ग्राउंडेड. द अनचार्ज बॉडी grounded. The uncharged body means earthing. You do earth. So it's a charged body and it's a uncharged body. It's a B. Charged body, uncharged body. In grounded case, what happened? You know कि earthing means earth that is a large conductor. Large conductor means it contains the positive as well as negative, a large number of. So what happened here? Electron from the earth, they neutralize this one negative charge. They neutralize this positive charge. So neutralize. It get neutralized, cancel. So neutralize means a positive and negative charge. Means in other some of the books, what happened there? What they written there? कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज मूव टुवर्ड द अर्थ, बट ऐसा नहीं है. पॉजिटिव चार्ज दे विल नॉट मूव, बट व्हाट हैपन? दे कैंसल नेगेटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम द अर्थ, मूव टुवर्ड्स द एंड दे विल कैंसल दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो न्यूट्रलाइज दिस वन, रिमेंबर दिस वन. एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट हैपन? स्टेप थर्ड. What you do? You remove this one. You remove the earthing. So you remove the earthing. Grounded part from B body. ये यहां पर कौन सी थी अनचार्ज बॉडी? बी थी. सो बी. अब बी से आपने क्या किया? अर्थिंग को रिमूव कर दिया. अब रिमूव किया अर्थिंग को, तो व्हाट हैपन? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर यू गॉट? इट्स ए एंड इट्स ए बी. पॉजिटिव charged body, uncharged body. So here they will cancel, neutralized by the negative charge. They move from the earth toward this one and they neutralize this one, cancel this one. Means this type of structure you got. This type of structure you got. And in fifth step 4. In step 3rd, what you do? You remove the grounded part from the body. So you remove this one. Okay, this type of structure you got. Now again, 4th part. You separate both. Move away. Separate the charged body as well as B body. A body as well as B body. So on separation, what happened? you got this type of structure. Now what happened? Negative. So this type of structure you got. Now it's a, it is a, now it's a charged body. Means कैसी charged body? Negatively charged body. Now it is a negatively charged body, and it's also a charged body. A and this one B. So in this way, what you do? What will be the definition? When a charged body brought near the uncharged body but without making any physical contact, the uncharged body get charged. So uncharged body get charged. So this get, now it's a charged body. Now question is there. If you are not removing the earth, you remove this one. यदि आप इसको remove करते हैं, मान लो आप इसको remove करते हैं, इस चीज को, इसे remove कर देते हैं, तब क्या होगा? मान लो आप इसको रिमूव नहीं कर रहे हैं, लो मैंने इसको रिमूव नहीं किया और ये वैसे ही अर्थिंग वैसे ही है, मान लो सपोज अर्थिंग वैसे ही है और इसको रिमूव कर दिया हमने, तो क्या होगा? ये नेगेटिव जो है अर्थ से पॉजिटिव जो है इसको भी न्यूट्रलाइज कर देंगे, बॉडी फिर वैसी ही रहेगी। तो हमेशा पहले इसको रिमूव नहीं करना है, रिमूव करेंगे अर्थिंग को, अदरवाइज वो फिर बॉडी वो कैसी रहेगी? अनचार्ज। अनचार्ज मीन्स सेम नंबर ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज, मीन अनचार्ज की बॉडी रहेगी। सो चार्ज बॉडी का मतलब क्या होता है? चाहे वो नेगेटिव है चाहे पॉजिटिव है, मेजॉरिटी कैरियर कौन से हैं? नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है, तो उसको चार्ज बॉडी कहते हैं। जब हम सिल्क के साथ रब कर रहे हैं या फिर ग्लास के साथ रब कर रहे हैं सिल्क को, तो ग्लास या प्लास्टिक को, तो वहां से क्या है आपके पास? इलेक्ट्रॉन जो वो ट्रांसफर होंगे या सिल्क से ट्रांसफर होंगे, वो डिपेंड करता है जो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक सीरीज थी, कौन सी अपर है कौन सी लोअर है, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली। तो आपने ये ध्यान में रखना है इंडक्शन मेथड में। और वन मोर थिंग कि विदाउट टचिंग, अब हम एक और इसी में लेकर चलते हैं। सपोज करो हमारे पास ये चार्ज बॉडी है, चार्ज बॉडी चाहे पॉजिटिव है चाहे नेगेटिव है, कोई भी है, चार्ज बॉडी है, और हमारे पास एक ये है हमारे पास अनचार्ज बॉडी। जैसे इसको नजदीक लेकर आए हम, जैसे दे ब्रॉट नियर द charged body but no physical contact is there. Without physical contact, what happened? Due to force of attraction between the due to the force of attraction between the positive, unlike charges, positive and negative, force of attraction mean positive और negative में कौन सी force होगी? force होगी attractive force इनमें, और पॉजिटिव चार्ज दे विल मूव टुवर्ड द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द कॉर्नर ऑफ अनचार्ज बॉडी, एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज मूव अवे एंड मूव टू द राइट कॉर्नर ऑफ द वॉल ऑफ द अनचार्ज बॉडी। सो ड्यू टू फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन, यहां पर जो होगी इनके बीच में फोर्स ऑफ कौन सी होगी? रिपल्सिव फोर्स। फोर्स कैसे होगी? रिपल्सिव। force of repulsion between the same like charges। अब इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? ये जो है ये आपके पास क्या है? ये फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, इनको कहते हैं हम बॉन्ड चार्जेस। कौन से चार्जेस? बॉन्ड चार्जेस और बॉन्ड चार्जेस। और ये जो आपके पास चार्ज है इनको कैसे चार्ज करेंगे? फ्री चार्ज, फ्री चार्जेस। दूसरा पॉइंट एक और ऑब्जेक्ट इसके नजदीक कांटेक्ट में ले आता हूं मैं, मान लो एक अनचार्ज बॉडी को, जैसे मैं इसके कांटेक्ट में लाऊंगा दो, एक ए बॉडी और ये बी बॉडी, और चार्ज बॉडी जो है उसका फिजिकल कांटेक्ट नहीं, उसका फिजिकल कांटेक्ट, नो फिजिकल कांटेक्ट बिटवीन द बॉडी ए एंड बी, बट ए एंड बॉडी आर they are joined together. So what happen here? So positive and negative move toward this one, and positive move away means they will cancel each other. Now what type of structure we got? What type of structure we got here? Negative, 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 and this one positive, positive, positive. So after that what happened? You separate this one. So if this one negative or this one positive. So charge body body can be charged. So body can be charged in this way. And particles, whatever the charged particle move on the left side or right side, corner, separate corner, that process is called polarization. So ये हमारा जो ये प्रोसेस है इसको क्या कहते हैं? पोलराइजेशन. Just like in a class, boys sit in one corner and girls sit in other corner. So same side here. So charged particle move in different corner, opposite side, means different corner. That process is polarization, and these are called bond charges, these are called free charges. बाकी अगेन हमने फिर एक और इसके साथ ज्वाइन करके देखा तो ये हमारे पास, तो ये जो हमें प्रोसेस था ये था इंडक्शन मेथड विदाउट टचिंग. So without touching, no physical contact between the charged body as well as uncharged body. That's due to that method uncharged body we charged. So next step जो हमारा वो कौन सा है? थर्ड मेथड, कंडक्शन मेथड. Conduction method. So conduction method, what it state? It state with physical contact when the uncharged body as charged body and uncharged body with physical contact, with my making a physical contact, uncharged body get charged. Charged body, uncharged body. It's a charged body and it's a uncharged body. Uncharged body, charged body, uncharged body. By making a physical contact, it get charged. It get charged. That is called conduction method. So in this method, it's a statement. So conduction method. So conduction method what? Conduction method what? With touching. With touching means by physical contact, making physical contact. Physical contact. So uncharged body, charged body, by making their physical contact, uncharged body get charged. So here third, that is called conduction method. So conduction method, charged body as well as uncharged body. Here we have taken, I think it's a positive charged body. So suppose यहाँ पर हम चलो नेगेटिव ले लेते हैं, नेगेटिव चार्ज बॉडी. सो नेगेटिव 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 नेगेटिव. So negatively charged body and a charged uncharged body B. So in first step, what it state? You make a contact of the charged body, negatively charged body. You have to make a contact of the charged body with the uncharged body. It's a B, and it's a physical contact. Physical contact. Touching. It's टच कर रही है ये दोनों चार्ज बॉडी है अनचार्ज बॉडी. व्हाट हैपन? positive charge, they move towards the left side, and negative charge move away from this. And negative charge they will transfer from. Now here, before that, in induction method, what we discussed, कि positive charge, there was force of repulsion and they will not move outside due to there is no conducting path to travel from this to next. So due to the air is a insulator, non-conducting. So now here it's generated path, now conducting. So here it will move to this side, कब तक? Until unless electron will transfer from this body to this body, until unless equal number of charges will be there. So what happen? Negative charge transfer 1, 2, 3. Suppose 3 electron or 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन जो ट्रांसफर हो गए और उतने उधर रह गए, सेम नंबर ऑफ. सो अब हमारे पास स्ट्रक्चर कैसी होगी स्टेप सेकंड में. सेकंड स्टेप को positive, negative, and negative. So now separate this one. You can say neutralize. These are neutralize, cancel. ये भी आप कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. बट आप अदर वे में आप क्या कह सकते हैं? स्टेप सेकंड में आप क्या करेंगे? इसको सेपरेट कर दो. When you separate this one, separation, not separate the body A as well as B. What happened? It's A and it's a B. On separating the A body as well as B body, what type of structure you got? You got this type of structure. This type of structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. Means majority carrier are electron. Majority carrier are electron. So it's a charge. Now it is a charged body. Which charged body? कौन सी charged body? Majority carrier क्या हुए? Negative. Electron. Negative charge. So it's a negatively charged body. So which a majority carrier are electron means negative charge. It's a negatively charged body. So in this way you can say it's a charged body. It's a charged body by touching. Charged body when touch with the uncharged body, on touching uncharged body get charged. So ये हमारे पास एक और था. इसका एग्जांपल यहां पर एक और एग्जांपल लेकर देखते हैं हम. सपोज करो इट्स ए डिस्क, कंडक्टिंग डिस्क. It's a conducting disc and conducting rod is there attached with the disc, and the disc metal foil attached with this rod. as a negatively charged body, as a negatively charged body touch with the disk, what happen? Negative charge appear on the metallic foil, and that due to force of repulsion they move away. Metallic that will move away and structure like this one. Due to move away, metal foil move away due to force of repulsion. Why? Negative same charge appear, negative charge appear on the metal foil. So to avoid the air resistance, you can keep this one under the jar. So it's a gold leaf electroscope. It's a gold leaf इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप. सो ये हमने डिस्कस किया काफी. यहां पर हमने एटम की भी एग्जांपल ली थी. कॉज ऑफ चार्ज में हमने एटम की एग्जांपल ली थी. बाकी एक और चीज इसमें हम जनरली चार्ज बॉडी और अनचार्ज बॉडी का कॉन्सेप्ट ले रहे हैं. यहाँ पर कुछ कंडक्टिंग होती हैं, कुछ नॉन कंडक्टिंग होती हैं. अभी एयर का भी है कॉन्सेप्ट. प्लास्टिक जो है उसमें भी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि वो टेम्परेरी बीइंग चार्ज होती है. उसके बाद आप दोबारा फिर विद इन 1 सेकंड 2 सेकंड आप प्लास्टिक को ही चार्ज प्लास्टिक रॉड या ग्लास है उसको आप बिट ऑफ पेपर के नजदीक लेकर जाएंगे. यू विल नॉट एक्सपीरियंस एनी फोर्स. मींस स्मॉल बिट ऑफ पेपर दे विल नॉट अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड दैट प्लास्टिक ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि ऑन दैट टाइम दैट गेट अनचार्ज, डिस्चार्ज. सो डिस्चार्ज ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया था इसमें. सो यहाँ पर हम जो है वो कौन सी लेते हैं, इंसुलेटर और कंडक्टर. उसमें ध्यान में रखना है कि इंसुलेटर जो है और कंडक्टिंग में क्या फर्क है. सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज आई थिंक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ चार्ज. सो ये हमारे पास पहला था हाउ द बॉडी चार्ज. बॉडी कैन बी चार्ज इन 3 ways, by friction method, induction method and conduction method. नेक्स्ट जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो करेंगे प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ चार्ज. थैंक यू.